Hi dear, today's question is, what is the port number, and give some example. A port number is a way to identify a specific process to which an internet or other network message is to be forwarded when it arrives at a server. For the transmission control protocol and the user datagram protocol, a port number is a 16-bit integer that is put in the header appended to a message unit. Here are some important examples. FTP TCP 20, 21, SSH TCP 22, Telnet TCP 23, SMTP TCP 25, DNS TCP, UDP 53, DHCP 67 and 68, HTTP TCP 80, POP3 TCP 110, NTP UDP 123, SNMP UDP-161 160 seconds, HTTPS TCP 443.